Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the best 3D printer under $500 in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. FlashForge AD5M. High-speed 3D printer with auto-leveling, quick-release nozzle, and resume function. Unleash your creativity with the FlashForge AD5M 3D printer, a perfect companion for both beginners and experts. This printer combines cutting-edge technology and superior craftsmanship, allowing you to easily turn ideas into reality. With a fully automatic one-click leveling system, say goodbye to manual calibration and enjoy perfect first layers every time. The Core XY all-metal motion structure ensures smooth, high-speed printing with minimal noise, while the quick-release nozzle, with multiple diameters, allows for easy maintenance and quick swaps. The FlashMaker app gives you control and remote monitoring, enabling real-time adjustments and network management. Plus, the Resume Print After Outage function keeps your prints on track, even if the power goes out. Get ready for flawless prints and maximum efficiency. Number 2. Longer LK5 Pro, high-speed, stable 3D printer with large build size and auto-resume. Unlock limitless creativity with the Longer LK5 Pro 3D printer. Featuring a stable triangular structure, this printer minimizes resonance for superior precision, ensuring high-quality prints every time. With a max build size of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, you have plenty of space for your DIY projects or school assignments. Enjoy 180 millimeters per second printing speed and 0.1 millimeters precision thanks to its advanced firmware and auto-calibration technology. The filament depletion detection and auto-resume printing save you time and material, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted prints. 90% pre-assembled and ultra-quiet operation, the LK5 Pro is ready to start quickly. Plus, open-source firmware and 24-hour support provide endless customization options, making it the perfect choice for both beginners and advanced users. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SE, high-speed 3D printer with auto-leveling and sprite extruder. Unlock faster, smoother, and more precise 3D printing with the Creality Ender 3v3 SE. Featuring a max speed of 250 mm per second and acceleration up to 2500 mm/s superscript 2, this printer gets your creations done in record time. Auto filament loading and unloading makes switching materials effortless, while the Sprite Direct Extruder supports PLA, PTG, and TPU for versatile printing. Dual Z-axis stability and 8mm steel linear shafts minimize wobbling, ensuring flawless prints every time. Get started in just 20 minutes with quick assembly, automatic leveling, and a sleek, compact design that looks great in any space. With over 500,000 units shipped worldwide, the Ender 3v3 SE is a trusted choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike, your perfect balance of speed, precision, and reliability. Number 4. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, high-speed 3D printer with large build volume and auto-calibration. Unleash next-level 3D printing with the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, boasting a massive 300 by 300 by 330 mm build volume, 58% larger than previous Ender 3 models. Print life-size objects in one piece, batch-produce small parts, and streamline large model printing with 600 mm per second high-speed performance. The Core XZ system and dual Y-axis motors ensure smooth, precise motion, while the auto-calibration leveling eliminates guesswork, no manual adjustments needed. The reinforced Z-axis and optical shaft synchronization reduce wobbling for flawless, high-speed prints. Quick assembly gets you printing in no time, and the sturdy Y-axis with dual 500mm.M motors easily handles large, hefty prints. Designed for speed, precision, and maximum creative freedom, the Ender 3v3 Plus is the ultimate 3D printing upgrade. Number 5. Mini 3D printer for beginners, fully assembled, auto-leveling, complete starter kit. Jumpstart your 3D printing journey with this fully assembled, beginner-friendly mini 3D printer. Perfect for kids, students, and hobbyists, it features easy auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision printing. The compact, space-saving design, 8.3 inches by 8.3 inches by 11.4 inches, fits perfectly in homes, classrooms, and dorms. The complete starter kit includes 10 of PLA filament, a microSD card preloaded with model designs, and all necessary accessories. Just unbox and print. Enjoy one-touch filament loading, active pause, and resume print functions, and Wi-Fi compatibility for seamless use. Works with PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments and supports Mac, Windows, and Linux. Compatible with WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicker 3D. Unlock limitless creativity with the easiest way to 3D print.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.